The debate over a third dose of the Pfizer vaccine for the general population begins this morning with members of the FDA and outside experts. Among the chief questions is a booster dose of the COVID vaccine safe and effective, and which Americans need it.
At this point, too old to get sick. So, yeah, go for the booster.
Get that booster shot, who knows what's going to happen. It's too early on.
So far, the FDA has not signaled a commitment, despite President Biden rolling out a booster campaign and New York City developing its plan to administer the extra shots to the masses.
We need to be ready to move immediately.
Right now, only people whose immune systems are compromised can get the extra shot.
It is highly likely that boosters will be authorized for some New Yorkers by next week.
Pfizer is pushing the third dose, saying that immunity against the virus drops between 6 and 8 months after being fully vaccinated. The drug giant argues a boost gives 3 times the virus-fighting antibodies and is helpful in warding off new variants like Delta with roughly 95% efficacy. However, this week, international scientists pushed back against boosters, saying they're not necessary for everyone. Instead, the effort should focus on 1/3 of the U.S. population that's yet to get 1 dose.
The real value, the real protection for all of us is to get those persons who are unvaccinated vaccinated.
Well, if approved by the FDA today, this whole process then moves to the CDC to weigh it next week. However, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson are not ready to go through with this process just yet, so anyone who had that series of shots will have to wait a little bit longer to find out if you will be getting a booster as well. Reporting live here on the East Side, I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.